Damn, PMS is really kicking my ass. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest of the face is not looking good either. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today we're just getting ready, we're just chilling. I have been doing very minimal makeup lately. It's been super hot. It's hot out, and the last thing you want when it's hot out is a full face of makeup, like caked makeup. That's just never gonna look good because you're gonna be sweating and it's gonna be moving around. Like, yeah, summer is not the time to add a lot of layers of makeup onto the skin. Like, I 100% get it. I've been doing a no makeup look on the daily. It's super easy, it's super quick. I'm using minimal products, they're very lightweight, so I want to show you guys this look today. It's not a coverage look, so if you're looking for coverage, this is not it. It's just like an enhancing look. You know, we're gonna even out the skin, enhance her features, all the while keeping everything super natural and minimal so that we don't feel like we have a lot of layers on the face. I'm just gonna show you how I do that. I'm gonna get ready. If you want, grab your makeup, get ready with me. Let's do this. Okay, so for starters, today I want to show you my skincare, so like my skin prep before I do my makeup. I never really show that, but I felt like doing so today. So today I just washed my face with a little bit of water. I didn't really do much. Some days I go in with a gentle cleanser. Depends on the day, depends on what I'm feeling. And then to prep my skin, the first thing I'm using and I'm loving currently is the Beauty Project Green Machine Skin Transforming Oil Jelly Serum. This is like vitamin C, super greens, plant stem cells. So it's supposed to brighten your skin, but it's also very gentle and it calms the skin down. It's a beautiful green color, and I just apply a few drops of this onto my skin. Feels very, very nice. And it absorbs quickly as well. I have extreme under eyes, so I always need an eye cream. I know most people don't really use eye creams. I cannot skip eye cream. So right now I'm using the Farsali Haldi Eyes Brightening Turmeric Eye Cream. This is an oldie. Like, you don't hear about it ever anymore, but I had it in my collection and I hadn't even opened it yet, so I'm currently using it. And this is like a yellow tint, so it just brightens the eyes, which, you know, it's good for me because I have really dark under eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using the Hero Cosmetics Clear Collective Clarifying Prebiotic Moisturizer. I almost poked my eye out with this, but this is really good. I just started using it, and it's meant to help with breakouts and acne and oily skin, which I have been unfortunately dealing with. So I'll just apply a bit of this and let it absorb into my skin for a while before I go in with sunscreen. Last but not least, we have sunscreen, the most important step. Now, if you saw my haul video, you know that I have a bunch of sunscreens to get through, but I'm currently just using up the 11 Village Hydro Sun Fluid SPF 50 PA++++. This is a Korean sunscreen, and it's really, really nice. So I'm just gonna apply a few pumps of this, and then put it all over my skin. This is very gentle, and it does not leave a white cast because it's clear. It's like a clear jelly. So it doesn't leave a white cast. It absorbs well into the skin. It does have a fragrance though, but I really enjoy it. Okay, and while I just let all the skincare sink into my skin, I'm gonna go into the eyes. Now I'm gonna keep this super simple, and I'm also gonna be using browns because you guys know brown is less harsh than black, but it still defines, and because I want something super natural for a daily basis, I like to stick to brown, and I'm literally only using 2 products. You've seen these a lot on my channel. I've been using the hell out of this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. Even though I do that, I can't remember the name apparently. This isn't whiskey. And then the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara by Maybelline, which I love. So here's what we're gonna do. I discovered a very easy hack to like natural winged liner, and I'm gonna show you guys. So first things first, you're gonna grab your eyeliner. You could literally do this with any color, but here's what I do. I go in and I tightline. Ooh, this is so fun. I hate tightlining, but it's needed. And I only tightline like half of my eye. And then at the corner of my eye, I'll just like do a little flick. And then I'll go with my finger and boop it. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but now I have a little wing. And it's almost invisible, but it just lifts the eye a little. Like, what? I know, it's crazy. I've been doing this every single day since I discovered this hack. I don't know what this is, but I just do it a lot now. It's perfect. It's so quick. You literally saw me do it. Let's go into the other eye. They're not always gonna be even, just as it is with wings. And the beauty of this is if you don't like how it looks or you went a little overboard, you can literally just like flick it with your finger and then you can start again. It's not super intimidating, and if you want to make it a little bit darker, you totally can. For me, I like to keep it as natural as possible, and what this just does, it just lifted my eyes. You see, like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell because I don't have my glasses on, but hopefully you can see there's just the slightest bit of color. Once I apply mascara, this is gonna look super invisible. Let me show you. And this is also brown, which will help kind of camouflage the eyeliner that we just did. I'm just gonna add a very nice coat of this. You see how the mascara kind of masks the liner that I did? I don't know if you're going to be able to completely see it because it is very faint. This just is such a foolproof way of like lifting the eye and making it look a little more awake, elongating the eye without actually going into, you know, like a liquid liner or trying to do like a faux wing. It's stupidly easy once you get the hang of it. Like you just boop a little and then you go in with your finger gently, of course, and you can play with it and you can practice as much as you want, and then you'll get the hang of it and you'll be doing this look so much. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I love it. And you can also intensify it, so if you want the wing to be a little darker, again, you can go with another color or just add more. It's so easy, you guys. I am shook. I've been shook for a few months ever since I discovered this. I just really needed to nail it so that I could show you, and now that I did, I'm so happy. This is it. This is what I've been doing every single day that I've worn makeup, and I'm so happy with it. Okay, so now that we've given the skincare a bit of time to sink in, let's move on to the base. For those real like no makeup days, I really just like to stick to my basics. I don't really go in with like a foundation product or BB CC cream. I want to keep it as light as possible. I've been just going in with concealer, and I've been loving the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. I love this because you really do get some good coverage, but also it is satin. It's like very skin-like. Let me just apply a little bit of this. It's very skin-like, and it doesn't, like, it blends well with the skin. It doesn't look like, oh, you're wearing concealer and then you're wearing nothing. That's why I love it a lot. And it has like decent coverage for how natural it looks. I also like to apply a bit of this in the areas that there's some redness. Currently I have a lot of redness around my nose, so I'll apply a little bit of this as well, but the slightest bit. I'll add a bit on top of my blemishes as well, but this won't really do much because I don't really want to cover them all that much. Maybe just tone down the redness a little. Okay, and this is how the skin's looking, very much like skin, but we're a little bit more even. So now, because I am oily, I do have to set. I'm using the Kosas Cloud Set Powder in Breezy, and I am applying this because it is so lightweight. It doesn't look like powder on my skin, but it does set my makeup. Super important to me. And I'll apply this like all over my T-zone or anywhere that I feel like extra oily on any given day. And even though this is a no makeup look, I still want to add a little bit of color to the face, a little bit of dimension. So I'm gonna go in with a few key cheek products. The first one being my iconic London Sheer Bronze Liquid Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Caramel Glow. It is very sheer. It's just gonna add a bit of color, but it's not gonna look, like you see, it's not gonna look or feel heavy on your skin, and it's gonna set down because it is a liquid, and it's gonna last quite a long time on my skin. So I'm just adding the tiniest bit of this to my cheekbones, and it's so easy to blend too, look at that. And then to add a bit of a healthy flush to my cheeks, I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Growth Flirt. This one's a matte, and I love these because you can really build them up as much as you want. They're not gonna get like super dewy. Again, I have oilier skin, so I'm aware of that when I'm doing like a no makeup, and I'm just going in with the tiniest bit of this color and adding it to the apples of my cheeks and back. A bit to the nose. And there we go. I don't know if you're even going to be able to tell because I just added the tiniest bit, but it just makes me look a little more alive. It makes me look a little healthier, like I didn't wake up at 7:30 a.m. today wanting to just go right back to bed kind of thing. That's the look I'm going for. And now this step is super optional, but I just love doing it because you guys know I'm obsessed with freckles. I'm going in with a Freck XL and adding a few freckles if you already have natural freckles. I'm so jealous of you. And this is your time to just maybe like enhance your freckles if you covered them. But I don't have that, so I'm just gonna add a few faux freckles. I'm not gonna go ham, just adding a few. There we go. Now that we added that, I am just quickly gonna add a little bit of Fix Plus just to make sure that everything melts into the skin. And then I'm quickly gonna do the brows. I have pretty bushy brows, so I'm just gonna go in with a Patrick Ta shaping wax. This is the tinted one. I'm just gonna run a bit of this on my brows. This will help like filling them in, but also give them shape without looking like I added product onto my brows, which I just love because again, we're going for no makeup. It's the vibe. And then last but not least, we have the lips. You can literally do anything you want with the lips. You go for like a tinted lip balm or just, you know, whatever. You can literally do whatever. I'm gonna go in with the Tower 28 Chill Shine On Lip Jelly. I love this gloss. And it's also kind of like a lip balm for me because it makes my lips feel so hydrated. If you wanted to make this look a little bit more like you're wearing makeup or you just want to add a fun purple color because it's summer, then you can definitely go in with a full-on lipstick, a lip stain, but this is just my preferred like lip look, I guess you could say. There's something about it that just completes the look and it makes me look like, ooh, juicy, she juicy, but natural. Like, wow, is she wearing makeup? Is she wearing makeup? You know, that's the vibe that I always try to go for. And there you have it, you guys. There's the super easy and quick no makeup look. It truly looks like I'm wearing next to nothing and it's the perfect everyday look, I'm telling you. Super quick, super easy, and you can really customize it and make it your own. As always, please let me know what you think of the look. Did you like it? Is it something you could see yourself wearing? You know, I always love the feedback. And if you have any requests or anything you'd like to see me do in the future, I'm all for ideas. So please let me know in the comments below as well. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe. The button is down below and I would love it if you could become a part of my little YouTube community here on the internet. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you had fun and I hope to see you right here in the next one. I love you all and I'll see you soon. Bye! Mwah!